Troy with Agro Salons, and in this video I'll be showing you step by step how to set up Facebook ads to book more salon clients, specifically for sew-ins. So if you have a salon or you do hair and you're trying to get more clients in to get sew-ins done, definitely keep watching this video. If you don't already follow me on Instagram at Agro Salons. Also DM me if you have any questions. Let's just get into this video. So what you're going to do is hit the create button, and you're going to name these. I'm just going to put in X's as placeholders, and you can swap out the names later. And you're going to be doing a message campaign. Actually, just delete it. So message campaign. So this means when someone responds to the ad, it's gonna open up a conversation in Facebook Messenger. So from here you would save this draft. So I'm not gonna save this because I already have one set up. So I'm gonna edit this. So once you save your draft, it's gonna take you to this page right here. And again, you want to do messages if this is not already selected. Then from here, we can turn on campaign budget optimization. So I would advise you to use multiple pieces of content for your ad. In this example, I'm only going to set up one. So we're going to do campaign budget optimization on, and that basically means we're going to set our budget here. I would advise you doing a $10 to $20 per day budget. It also means that Facebook is basically going to pick which piece of content out of the ones we uploaded, which one performs best, and feed, the majority of the budget into that piece of content. Now we're going to go to the ad set level, and then the ad set level is where we do the targeting. So at the very top of your screen, you will click where it says one ad set, or on the left side, you're going to see the second row, the second X, the one that has the 4 squares. You can click that as well. So the message destination is going to be Messenger. So click to Messenger. So for location, you want to do whatever city you're in. And I usually do like a 25-mile radius. So for this example, this would look like Dallas. Depending on how good your deal is, or how far people are willing to travel for your services, you can increase this. You can do something like 30. And notice to the right side, our audience size of 4.3 million people. Notice this will change as we make any tweaks. So now we have an audience size of 5.3 million people. We're going to leave our age wide open, and we're going to select women. So now we have an audience size of 2.8 million people. So now we're going to layer some interest on top of this to, get a little bit more specific about who we want our ads to show to. So we're going to do human hair extensions. So that gives us an audience size of 51,000, and we're going to click on suggestions, and we're just going to add some of the ones that make sense. So this is good enough. Now we have an audience size of 870,000 people. So it's a pretty solid audience size. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to do manual placements, and we're only going to run these on Facebook. So for this example, we're only going to show these in the Facebook news feed to keep this super simple. If you want to test out other Facebook placements, you can. But again, we're only going to do Facebook newsfeed. So now we're done setting this part up. Now we can go to the ad level, and that's where we do the actual ad image and things like that. So let's see. So you have two options. You can either create an ad from here. So you will upload your content, whether that's a photo or video, or you can use an existing post on your Instagram or Facebook page. So what will work best for you is to do a carousel format where you create the ad here. So you will select carousel, and you would select, so you have you can do as many pieces of content as you want. Maybe 10 is the max, but So you would select your image for each slide in the carousel. So what I would do is, select images of your best work, images or photos of your best work, and put a change the headline to send message to book. Or if that doesn't show all the way, you can do like book now. And same with this one. So you would click here, and you would do the same thing. Change the headline, book now. Or you can change the headline to whatever you're showing. So whether you're showing a wig or your bundle deals or whatever it is that you're showing, you can make that your headline. So that's going to be your best option when you're setting up your ads. Imagine someone scrolling through the news feed and they're looking for a stylist. If they're able to, scroll through their news feed and immediately check your work, see which one they like best, and message you from there, that would be the best scenario. Your other option I want to cover is using an existing post. So you would select use existing post and select post. And this is an old post we did. It's like from 2018. And what I want you to pay attention to now is the primary text or the caption. So let's see, how do we edit this? Well, I guess it's not going to let us edit the caption. Okay, so if it doesn't let you edit the caption here, you have to edit the caption in the actual post. So you will go to the post that you originally made and edit the caption. So your caption should say something like, hey ladies, are you in the, or in my example, I would say something like, hey ladies, are you in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and looking for a, quality sew-in? Then, talk a little bit about your business, and you want to have a call to action. Your call to action should be directing them to click the send message button to book you or for more information. So ladies of DFW, if you're looking for high quality sew-in and you want to take advantage of our 3 bundles plus sew-in deal for $250, click the send message button to book or for more information. So essentially your copy should call out to someone. So women of Dallas, you should have some type of content or story in the middle, then a call to action. So super simple with that. Then from there, you would come down here to message template, and where it says start conversation, you would edit this. So these are going to be like some predetermined questions that you can have set up. So you can do something like, how much does this cost, where you located, and have automated answers already in. Therefore, you don't have to answer, too many like customer service related questions. Your messenger bot will already, have that taken care of for you. Then when you jump into the conversation, all you most likely have to do is collect payment or deposit for the booking, or, whatever your booking process is. So once you have these questions and answers filled out, you would save and finish this. Then you would click publish. And that's it. Expect to spend, depending on your location, $25 to $40 to get a customer into your chair. On average, we spend about $25 to $30 here in Dallas to get someone in for a 3 bundle plus install deal. That's $250. So we're spending $25 in ads to acquire a customer that's worth $250 to us up front. Not counting, when they come back for maintenance and, getting their hair done again. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at @iGrowSalons. If you want my personal help with setting up your ads, DM me as well on Instagram at @iGrowSalons, or you can click the link below in the description of this video to sign up for my coaching service, where I coach you through this entire process step by step. If you found this video helpful or useful, give me a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.